are back with a new video. In this, we are talking about the 3D printing. As you know, the 3D printing is a process to convert your idea into live objects. But what are the procedures to do so? Let's take about the first one. First, you have to create a design with any software which you want to use, whether it is a SketchUp or a Tinkercad. In our case, we are using Tinkercad. After designing, save your design in STL format. After saving, open your design in Cura. Here you can adjust a size of your design according to your printer. After adjusting, save your file again. It can auto-convert your design into G-code format. Now your design is ready to convert into final object. After printing, this is how your design will look. I hope now you can understand. So go and create your own product with 3D printing now. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Stay safe, learn online.